Based on the title of this video, I know why you're here. You might look at it and be like, who is this guy saying this kind of thing that like I'm gonna fail in day trading? Let me explain. If you look at 90% of people charts online, you will see a similarity. Oh, this person trading looks like this person trading, this person trading looks like this person trading, and everybody is claiming to be a profitable trader. That is not true. There's a reason why over more than 90% of traders are not profitable, or are profitable to an extent but lose profitability and give the market back some money. If you look at their back end, you're going to find out that there are more losses than wins. So I don't know if it's a psychological thing, because I don't trade like ICT, I don't trade SMC, I trade pure price action. You understand? And even in price action, there are times when you cannot trade. There are days where you look at the chart. I've gone 4 days looking at the chart. I didn't see anything, and I was just like, chill. There's nothing to trade right now. That's why, like, while trading the Forex space, I mostly swing while trading the Forex space, but I'm mostly focused on trading synthetic indices. Back to why you fail as a day trader. You fail as a day trader because you are trading with the crowd. What the crowd is doing. If it works 100% of the time, why is everybody not successful? Have you asked yourself that question? Everybody is doing this, everybody is doing that, and they are posting yes, they are this, they are this, they are that. But if you look at the back end, they are not as they say they are, because they are doing what the 90% of traders are doing. What the other 10% or less are doing are very quite different. You have heard this thing, you need to have a trading journal, you need to have a strategy, you need to follow your rules, you need to do this, you need to do that. All those are basic things. But what are the extra things you put yourself through to achieve profitability, to be successful in this industry? Meta trader is for the retail traders, and we are just reacting to what price is doing. The real people moving the market are working in the banks at Wall Street, and those are the ones moving the market. So also are just reacting to what these people are doing to try and possibly make profit for ourselves, because even those people, they are still understanding trading, they are still students of the market, and us ourselves also students of the market trying to make money from this. There's a reason why we see prop firm pop every day. There's a new prop firm, and sometimes you hear that this prop firm have packed, this prop firm have packed, this prop firm have packed, this prop firm have packed. They are packing not because the business model is not profitable, but because they are running away with people's money, and the real traders, when they enter into their platform, they don't have enough money to pay them, because as they are making money, they are spending that money away.